Hello guys, I'll be teaching you guys today on how to import from Bangladesh and how to know verified a verified supplier. Okay, so today I'll be taking you guys on how to do that. It's very simple. It's not what you think like or it's hard or one. It's not hard. It's very simple. Okay, so I'll go straight right to the point. Okay, so you can see right now, this is my Facebook page. As you can see, this is my Facebook page. Okay, the Legend Reporter. Okay, so right now I'll be taking you to your search bar. You can see the search bar here. Here's your search bar on Facebook. Okay, my Facebook right now. You can see where the arrow is pointing right now, right? So right now I'll be tapping on that circle that the arrow is pointing. So I'll be clicking on Bangladesh. Okay, so when you click, you will search on Bangladesh. Let me say like Bangladesh clothes, like this clothes wholesale. You can see this place. Um, you can see this place. Say Bangladesh clothing wholesale. Okay, so I'll be clicking on that. So when I click on this, you will see it will show me different kind of their groups. Okay, on how to get different type of, like if you want to get the verified suppliers, if you want to get their contact or one-on-one, that you talk to them, that you want to do business with them. Okay, so you can always get to meet them on this group. This how you got. If you want to meet them, you can also meet them on YouTube. You can also find them on YouTube, find them on TikTok, on any platform, or on Alibaba. You can also find them on on Instagram as well. Okay, so but this one I'm using because most of the suppliers I'm using now, I got them from Facebook. Okay, I'll just search for them. So I've told them the kind of things that I need. So let's go straight. And now I'm going to join this group right now, right away. You can see this group that I'm pointing. That one, the arrow is pointing right now. I'm going to tap it. As you can see, so I will join the group right now. Okay, I will join the group. Okay, see this group, I will join it now. When I join it, so I've already joined the group. You can see this is the group, right? So now, so for you to get, you can see this is different suppliers. Okay, you can see their things. Okay, you can see their things. Most of them drop their WhatsApp number. Okay, as you can see, this one here, this particular person, this first guy that we just met now, this particular person now, you can see the WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is there. You can see it. Look at the WhatsApp number there. Where the arrow is pointing, you can see say contacts. Look at the WhatsApp number there. Okay, and what you need to know about this Bangladesh importers, about Bangladesh importation. Okay, what you need to know about them, their currency is called Taka. Okay, so if you want to know the taka, like the rates to your currency due to your, if you're in Ghana or Uganda or South Africa or wherever you're watching me from, okay. If you want to know the your currency, you will just take their currency. You could take like for mine, Nigeria, okay. So we use Naira in my country here in Nigeria. So in other country like in Ghana, they use cedis, okay. So that is it. So you will just check it on Google and you will know your current rate. Okay. So for you to know the normal rates, like for one taka to your country or from so on and so forth. Okay. So for you to know the normal rate of the currency. Okay. So as you can see, this is one of the supplier. So for you to get to meet this supplier, you will write this particular person. For instance, now if you want to do business with this person, okay, you can see the things this person is doing. They do a lot of things. Mostly this supplier that you see here, this Bangladesh you see here. Okay, mainly the okay this guy his page is locked, so I can go to other supplier. You can see say contact party. You can see them the minimum. You can see this place. He said this one said the minimum order. This one say contact WhatsApp inbox me. Guest party frog 100% premium quality size from size 1, that is 1 years to 5 years old. Okay, that is what he's trying to say in this particular place. Okay, you can see this place. This place that response it says size 1. It means the cloth that is said is from 1 year to 5 years upward. Okay, and the color is color 7 and 8. It means that there is a lot of colors. Okay, level 1, style 3, and that is the sizes. MOQ for this is 50 pieces, as you can see. Okay, so this supplier, before you can get to purchase from this supplier, this particular suppliers, you need to purchase at, at most the minimum order is 50. Okay, so now if you want to meet other supplier, you can see them. Okay, so you share, hope you are seeing it. So this one is other one again. There are a lot. You can see, you can scroll down. Okay, view the groups. Okay, I'm already inside the group right now. Okay, if I want to talk to this particular person, I can just comment. Say if I want, but now I don't want because I already have my own. I already have my own supplier that I'm using. I have my own money. I have almost, I think, 4 or 5 thereabouts. I have five of them. Okay, that I'm doing business with. So for you to start this Bangladesh importation, their things are very quality and thick and top notch. Okay, their things are very quality. When I mean qualities, okay, most of the things that you are seeing this Bangladesh, most of their things is the thing they always manufacture those their clothes to those big brand like in US, in London, UK. This Bangladesh, mainly their things are always shipped down to the US, UK, most of those big countries. Okay, not that China don't have. China have good fibroid and they also have those. But this Bangladesh, okay, the before you can import from them, okay, I'm just going straight to the point. Before you can import for them, okay, you will need an agent. Okay, believe me, you're not. You will need an agent. You can see this one. Let me translate it. It's a various football club jersey for sale in very low price. Please inbox if any has it. You can see. So they have quality. When I mean quality, they have quality cloth. Okay, how to import. This is how to import. You can also go to YouTube as well. Okay, you can also go to YouTube as well. When you go to YouTube, just type the way I type. You say just type the Bangladesh and the kind of things you want to see. If you want to Bangladesh clothing manufacturer or suppliers, you will see many of them. Even on TikTok, you will see that they will be doing adverts. So before you will do, don't send your money to any of them. What you need to know about this Bangladesh importation, okay? Don't send your money to any of them, okay? When you want to do a business, make sure because me now, the person that I use, I have an agent there in Bangladesh, okay? Sorry, as an old importer, I've been in this game up to I think 12 years now by God grace, yeah. So I've taught a lot of people on how to become successful in this business and a lot of testimonies. Okay, so I've helped a lot. I've helped a lot of people to open their own boutique business with this importation business. Okay, so I've helped when I mean a lot. I've helped a lot of people. So you can see these are look, you see you are see suppliers of hope you are seeing it. Look at them, look at them. Anyone who any kind of thing you want, look at them. Okay. Okay, say garment import, men, jeans, pounds, original import. Then you can meet them. Say this one says 6,000 pieces, quality, okay. These are cotton jeans, cotton jeans. Look at the jeans there. You can see, look at it. Look at the jeans. They have good when I make good wears. Okay, good wears. They have good wears. When I make good wears, they have good wears. Okay. Now, if you want to start, you need to have a an agent. Okay. Like man, I use Puma. Okay. There is a there is a agent we call Puma. Okay. Although I have plenty of them, I think I work with three of them. Yes, three of them. Yes. So before you will negotiate with these suppliers, okay, listen very carefully. First of all, when you see a product like this, okay, you will talk to these suppliers, okay. Like this supplier now, this jeans is going for 150 taka. You can see. You look where the arrow is pointing. 150 taka. Okay. This 150 taka, okay, he said the minimum order is 6,000 minimum order. So you can see it now. So with this supplier, you will negotiate with this person. When you negotiate with this person, you can say, okay, now you don't have, or if you don't have that, but their currency is very low, okay? So that is very low. So you can always start, okay? Like you can see what this person now is a Nigeria person. This person that you're seeing here, okay? This person there is a Nigeria person. You can see, look at this. Oh yeah, look at this other person. He's begging for 50 pieces. So you can see this group is an hot group. Look at this jalabia. You translate it. I'm going to translate it, okay, for you guys to see. You can translate it, okay. So for like what I'm saying, you will negotiate with this person. When you negotiate with this supplier, like you don't want to purchase up to that's 6,000. You can tell them that you want to purchase for 200 or 100 or 50, just as the way all those people are pricing. You will talk to them, make sure you take their WhatsApp number. You will negotiate with the person, okay? Well, after negotiating with this your supplier, then you will tell this your supplier to write you in their language, okay, in Bangladesh language. Then you send it that you want to purchase social items. So before you will pay, you will send the money. Okay, you will send the money to the agent. It's the agent that will help you to pay. Meanwhile, before you will pay, before you will allow this supplier to bring your goods straight to your agent's doorstep, you will first of all inform your agent, tell him that you are expecting social things, social items, he or she, or if you are say he, I don't know, but if the person, you tell the agent that this is the items. Meanwhile, the suppliers has already sent you the items photos that you want to purchase. So you got to send it to your agent for your agent to take a review of your items that will be getting to you. Or you can still even make a video call with your suppliers. Those people are ready to do business with you. As far you are ready for business, they are so ready. They are ready to do business. In fact, they are finding a lot of people to do business with. Okay, so you will take your time. You talk to the person after. Yeah, you speak with your agent. Then you will write to this particular supplier for him to deliver your items or your products to your agent. Your agent will now be the one to pay these suppliers. Then after then your your agent will be the one to ship your goods to you. Whether if you are in Uganda, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Nigeria, any part of Africa you are, even if you are in US, they also do it. So that is you pay them. It's just like, for instance, your let me say you can say okay, if you want to pay, you will all calculate it, but it will depend. You need to talk to it. It's very affordable. Okay, that's what I use. I'm just going straight to the point. Okay, so if you know, okay, If you know and you want to start importing from Bangladesh and you don't know your whereabouts, okay, you can always reach out to me. You can see my 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 you can always contact me through my bio, or you can message me via TikTok. Okay, you can always write me on WhatsApp, or you comment down below you are interested. Okay, I'll be dropping more tutorial. Okay, you can see this man is sending from 6 pieces. Okay, let me see. Let's see the MOQ. Okay, the quantity is 600 pack. Okay, 600 pack or more. You can see, see, look at business. You that's fun, look at it. Look at business. You can see, can you see it? You can see it. See it. Banded glass. They have a lot of things, and they for them to ship it down to you into Nigeria, it doesn't take up to 5 to 6 days. Yes, and their shipping rate is very cheap. Is very cheap, unlike China. Okay, not that China don't have a good product, have, but this is Banded glass for those that are interested. Okay, you can always write me, DM me, ask me question. I will always be there to reply, to tell you this is the right logistic company to use if you want to do it by yourself, but you need an agent, right? It's the agent that will pay for you, pay your suppliers, then ship it down to your country. If you are in Ghana, if you are in Zambia, if you are in any part of the country, as far as it's Africa, okay, you can see this. You can see the suppliers. There are a lot of manufacturers company there in Bangladesh. They are ready to do business with, very smooth. Most of them, I do business with. Okay, okay. They are very very straightforward, very straightforward. They are ready to do business with you. Okay, very, because they are very known in fiber. That fiber are very very top notch. Okay, they have a stock. When I mean top notch, they have a top notch, um, high quality clothes. I tell you, you will not regret when you're doing business with them. Look at it. Look at it. We have a lot of things. Okay, I'll be dropping more tutorial on this platform right now. Okay, I'll be dropping a lot of tutorial. But anyone you don't understand, you can also join my uh, um, my importation class, where I'll be teaching you one on one, where I'll be mentoring you, tell you what to do, this, what you need to do, everything. Okay. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested, you can kindly comment I am interested. Okay. So you can see this, you can see a lot of things. You can see, okay, you can always reach out to me. I'm here to answer all your questions. This is a legend reporter. Okay. I'm always here. Okay. I'm always here to talk and to take all your questions. Okay. I'm always here for you. Thank you.